everyone, it's Mama Does Nails and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be doing a Born Pretty set, and I am leaning to a marble, and I've got a few gels I want to use in this marble, some glitter jellies and semi jellies, and this Rainbow Island sequin glitter gel. So that's what I'm going to do, guys. I am going to be working with you. I'm going to be showing you what I'm doing and what I'm not doing. So for my base, I'm taking out one of my oldies. It's a Born Pretty Jelly Nude 01. So it's like I'll just show you. It's like that sort of color, very nice and milky. So because I just want quite a neutral base, so that when I do the marbles and things like that, it will pop. So I'm gonna get this jelly nude on all the 5 nails, which I am pretty sure you are not going to want to watch. So I will just do this and be back. Okay, so now everything's cured on this, because my palette is just not big enough. I'm gonna get some Born Pretty white. I'm just gonna put some white gel. I think probably like, let's do like 2 for now, because the base is already white, so I'm already winning with that. Now I do want some black in it, so I think I'll just do the black on that side. The glitter jelly 02 is a gorgeous blue, so I'm just going to wipe that brush, make sure I have a nice bit in there. Now what I'm going to try is get as many of these beautiful colors as I can, because the glitter, the sequin glitter jelly is quite thick. So I'm gonna have to, and that's why I think I'm leaning towards the marble, so I can use the watercolor nail gel, which is Born Pretty's blooming gel. So now on the outside of that, I'm gonna put some of this semi jelly nude 05. Now I know this looks like a hot mess at the moment, but let's trust the process. Let's trust the process. Okay, so I've put that one, I've put that one. Now this is my rainbow glitter. So as you can see, it does come out quite thick. So to help me, I think I'm gonna get it on a brush and then dab it on the area. So I just want to stick that glitter right in there. So I'm going to go in again and get some out, and I'm going to go in on the other side. I love marbles because it's very hard to replicate the same marble twice. To say that you have ultimate control of the gels is one thing, but where they'll go, it could be similar, but I don't think it's possible for it to be the same. That's just me. All right, so that is the Sequin Gel SG04. I am happy with that. Now, where do I put the cat eye? So I'm thinking my cat eye is definitely going to get lost somewhere. But I'm thinking, oh gosh, I'm touching all the gels on this, on the tissue. Oh God, the mess. Okay, so as I said, I'm going to place my cat eye there. I'm going to hope that I'll still be able to see it. Now, I'm actually getting a little bit scared, so I think I will, for measure, put some there. And put some there. Honestly, this is giving me so much anxiety because I'm like, is this gonna work? I don't know. I'm gonna use a dotting tool now and just try and merge everything in, but it doesn't matter because you're gonna pick it up and you're gonna put it down, and that's that. Put the watercolor nail gel down on all 5 nails, but because there is a cat eye in there, we are going to work 1 nail at a time, and then I will pop it in the lamp and then go on. So I'm going to let you just watch me work, guys, because there's no point talking through this because I'm going to be super focusing on this marble. Please enjoy. and see them. Oh my gosh. So I don't know why, but these are giving like a mermaid vibe. I feel like only thing missing now was probably like a few shells or something, but look how magical that looks. And it's like afternoon and the sun is really out, which I'm happy about. Oh my gosh, the cat eye, that cat eye. Furthermore, the whole of the gold cat eye collection is beautiful. Honestly, I bought them. Every single one of them are gorgeous. Honestly, there it goes. I'm just gonna do the rest. Thank you all so much for watching. Here's the finished set. I feel like I might need to turn my ring light off a little bit so you can really just see it with the flash. How gorgeous is this? Would you wear these? I now just wish I had this as a set, but honestly, to even have this as a display set, to think I got all these beautiful marbles from the colors, and you know, that's what I love about marbles, because they all just look so different, and I would never be able to just recreate this freehand, honestly. So yeah, the blooming gel, ooh, I love the cat eye. I just felt went perfectly with it, the addition of some black and white. So I'm going to turn my ring light back on, and there we are. Look at that. Alright guys, I'm going to love and leave you now. I'm going to leave some discount codes on screen and in the description box, and feel free to use and share them at bornpretty.com, and get yourself some gorgeous gels and cat eyes. And yeah, I just love this. Alright guys, bye.